Hi guys, this is Jana here. Welcome to my kitchen. And here in front of you is not a parfait, no sir. This is a Tilslørte bondepiker, proper Norwegian dessert that it's to die for and so simple to make. Tilslørte bondepiker is a farmer's veiled daughter, something like that. It's a weird name. No one knows for sure why it has this name, but it's amazing and I'm gonna show you how to make it. First, we're going to make the cream. We're going to use full-fat coconut milk, and we're going to use this high-tech, latest technology kind of gadget that I bought in Norway. I loved it. It's been a while that I wanted to get my hands on something like that, because some of you guys, oh, I don't have a how do you call it? A mixer. No problem, get one of those. I mean, it costs like, I don't know, 2 euros or something like that. Scavenge. The, how do you call it? The thrift shops, they usually have that. It works and it was so much fun. Get the kids involved, they're gonna love to do that. So I thought at some point that it was not getting so hard so fast because it's a manual thing and I had to use a little bit of an elbow grease for that. Not so much, don't worry. So I added a little bit of a xanthan gum, okay? Just a tiny bit, and it worked. It held its shape until the next day because I had to wrap it up here and put the cream in the fridge, and it was a good thing because then I could prove to myself that it was going to hold its shape, and it did, and until now it's beautiful, okay? Set aside, put it in the fridge, and now we're going to the second part of this video, which should be the first actually because it's gonna take longer. We're going to make the potato, we're not gonna make a potato puree, we're going to make an apple sauce, okay? So we're going to peel the apples, cut it into cubes, put it in the water with lemon solution so they don't get brown while you're cutting. Put them in a pot with water, cinnamon, and a little bit of sugar. Bring it to a boil, then to a gentle simmer, and allow it to cook until it's soft. Then we're going to mash it, but you can also blend it, but I didn't want it to be a cream, a sauce like that, a homogenic kind of a sauce. I want to feel a little bit of pieces of apples here and there because the cream, the coconut cream, is already soft and smooth. So I wanted more texture to the dessert. And to add even more texture in the shape of crunchiness, we're going to now use breadcrumbs. Usually in Norway they use brown breadcrumbs. I didn't have any, mind you, so I used panko, okay? And then to that I have added cinnamon, mix around, a little bit of sugar, and that's it. As far as I know, every family or everybody, they add a little bit of a different twist to it, so that's my twist. And the reason for that is because usually they add oats and then they put the oats with it, and I didn't have any. So I even asked the neighbors and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna put I have plenty of nuts here in the freezer because I keep my nuts in the freezer. Behave. I keep the nuts in the freezer because of the heat. Here is too hot and then they preserve better so they don't risk getting, what is the word? Rancid. So keep them in the freezer, best thing, tip. So mix around and you put it in the oven for about 8 minutes and they're ready. Makes your taste buds sing. It's so light, so airy, so creamy, so elegant, so well put together. I can go on and on and on because this is not the type of dessert that it's sugary and heavy. It's amazing for summer and winter. So you want to you want to use strawberries. Use raw strawberries. Just mix it with a little bit of sugar. Don't add the cinnamon, add only on the breadcrumbs. And I know you're gonna make it because this is tempting and beautiful, and it's not a parfait, okay? Repeat with me, not a parfait. It's a cousin, it's a Norwegian cousin of the French parfait. So this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, recipe on my website, and I will see you next week. Bye bye.